Buying your first rental property is one of those moves that can change your entire financial life, but only if you do it right. Do it wrong and you'll end up with a money pit that drains your bank account and your sanity. In this video, I'm walking you through the exact step-by-step process to buy your first rental in 2025. Avoid the rookie mistakes and actually turn it into a cash flowing asset from day one. Welcome to the only channel that flips the script on real estate, money, and mindset. I'm Rob Ragno, and I created Redefine You to redefine the way you invest in real estate. No theory, no fluff, just real world strategy. And if you're serious about turning your first rental into the start of a portfolio that pays you for life, hit the subscribe button and grab the free school community in the description where we go deep into live deal reviews and give you the exact tools to make your deals happen. Now first, let's talk about the real problem in 2025. The rental market is hot in some areas and ice cold in others. Rates are still around the 7%, insurance costs have gone up, and a lot of new landlords are buying emotionally instead of mathematically. They see the property they like instead of the property that performs. And the fastest way to go broke in this game is to confuse a rental property with your dream home. Your first rental isn't about curb appeal. It's about numbers, location, demand, and making sure that cash flow is real and sustainable. Step 1, define your investment criteria. Before you even look at a single property, decide what you want this rental to do for you. Is it long-term cash flow, equity growth, or a mix of both? Narrow down the location based on rental demand, job growth, and landlord-friendly laws. In 2025, secondary markets near metro areas are outperforming many primary cities because of affordability and migration trends. Step 2, get your financing options lined up. Even if you don't plan to use traditional financing, knowing what's available changes how you negotiate. Explore conventional loans, FHA for small multifamily if you're using house hacking, or creative options like seller financing or private money. With higher interest rates, creative terms can often give you better monthly cash flow than a lower purchase price alone. Step 3, learn to analyze deals in minutes. The key metrics you need are market value, after repair value, monthly rent potential, and all-in expenses, including your mortgage, taxes, insurance, and maintenance. In our community, we use the signature POP method, profit on purchase, to make sure that every deal pays you from day one. Step 4, build your deal pipeline. Don't just look on the MLS. Learn to talk to wholesalers, send direct mail to absentee homeowners, check Facebook Marketplace, and network with other investors. The more deal flow you have, the more leverage you have to walk away from the bad ones. In 2025, off-market deals and small multifamily in landlord-friendly states are still the best plays for first-time investors. Step 5, do thorough due diligence. This is where new investors get completely burned by skipping inspections, ignoring zoning rules, or underestimating repair costs. And if you don't know how to do this, just get a professional inspection. Verify the lease agreements if tenants are already in place, and check for any upcoming capital expenses like a new roof or HVAC replacements. A $10,000 surprise repair could turn a great deal into a dud overnight. Step 6, negotiate like a pro. Use inspection reports to your advantage. If repairs are needed, negotiate credits at closing or a price reduction. In some cases, you can secure seller financing at better terms than the bank will give you if you can use these to your advantage. Always come in with at least 2 of these 3 exit strategies: rent it, sell it, or refinance it. Step 7, close, set up management, and market your tenants. If you're managing yourself, set up clear screening criteria and get everything in writing. If you're hiring a property manager, which I highly recommend you do, make sure you vet them as if you would a business partner. In 2025, tenant quality matters more than ever. Eviction timelines have increased in some states, and you want to minimize the turnover and damage. Step 8, track your numbers from day one. Set up a system to track your income, expenses, and ROI monthly. Treat this like a business from the start, and it will pay you like one. One of our students bought their first duplex in a growing market outside of Nashville this year. Purchase price was $240,000. They secured seller financing with only 10% down and payment structured at 4% interest, well below the bank rates. Tenants were already in place, paying $1,300 per unit. After expenses, they're clearing about $900 a month in net cash flow, plus building equity with every payment made. They followed this exact process. Clear criteria, off-market deal, creative financing, thorough due diligence, and they're already locking in their second property. When you follow this order, you're stacking the odds in your favor before you even collect your first month's rent. And if you want my rental property analyzer, the exact spreadsheets that we use, and access to live deal reviews where we break down rental properties in real time, join my school community. It's free, and the link is in the description below. Now look, don't be like everyone else and just go watch another 15 YouTube videos or listen to 100 more podcasts. Subscribe, like this video, and join the community. And remember, real estate pays you when you buy right, manage smart, and think long term. I'll see you on the next video.